Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take 2. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can capture Google Map image. So it's an interesting one, so I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step. And if you have any queries, you can comment down and let me know everything about it. So firstly, you're in the Google Maps, just go to Google Maps and search for the particular location you want to capture the image of. So let me just go all the way down over here. And I want to have the image of this particular area like this. And what you do is, there is no any inbuilt function, but you can screenshot it and you can go to your gallery or photos and check the image over there. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.